Shorts hurt your channel. I think that's what I'm experiencing right now. Although I'm not quite sure, this channel is still young. It's been some months on here. But then I read that, or rather, I saw a video talking about shorts hurting your channel. And so I thought about sharing with you about this. So I've been on this channel specifically now for the channel has been live for almost how many months? That's 7 months, I think, from April up to now, January. But then I've been very serious on the channel for the past 1 month. That is from end of November until now, which is early January 2026. And I've been mainly posting shorts on my channel. Shorts. I've only done a few long form videos, and the shorts have been doing fairly well. I've brought in almost now 450 subscribers on this channel. That's after about 35 days. That's quite a number, as they tell me. And I've been getting several hundred views on every video that I post, every short video that I post. 1,000 views on a few of them, and the highest that I've had now is about 2,000 views on a video. I haven't had any video go to 3,000 views. And the long form videos have been about tens of views, like 20, 30, and not many. And some of those views are people that have directed from the short form videos. So if I have 1,000 views on a short form video and I'm directing people to a long form video, they don't go there. And this is what I got to hear from the video that I watched from those experts. I'm not a guru myself. I'm still experimenting on YouTube, although I look forward to being successful on YouTube. So I read from, or rather, I consumed some content talking about shorts hurting your channel, and there was logic in it, and this is what I want to share with you. The person was to the idea that the person, if you're doing shorts, the people who have subscribed to your channel are people who are mainly watching shorts all through their day. So when you post a long form video, they are not likely to go and watch it because they are used to shorts. The people who subscribe to you from your live stream, and I've been doing quite a number of live streams myself, and I've got some subscribers who've come from the live streams, and they say that the people who subscribe to you from the live stream have been mainly people who watch live streams, and that's how they came to know about your channel. So the next time that you are able to come into contact with them is another time that you are going to do a live stream. That's when they are notified that you are live and they hop onto the live stream to watch. I think it makes some sense. Although I've been having people who are now, and those are the ones that could call themselves my fans, people who've commented on my live form videos, long form videos, people who are, and they come to my live streaming, and then they are also on my shorts, just a few of those people. So I came to think that maybe it makes sense. Maybe that's the truth, that shorts hurt your long form videos. And why they were saying it hurts, and for the person who may consider this logic, is that person who's looking forward to making maybe a full-time income from AdSense, because short form videos, or the ones they call shorts, don't make some huge ad revenue. The videos that make huge ad revenue are the long form videos. So if you're looking forward to depend on long form videos for your AdSense income, then you better reconsider doing shorts on your channel, if that's what you're you're doing, or rather reconsider not to do shorts. But as for myself, I just love creating content. I can, let me confess, I haven't been so specific on optimizing my videos uh, in any way up to this point. Maybe I'm gonna look into that, but then I've just been creating and creating. I've created short form videos. For the past 1 month, I've created over 500 shorts, and I'm keeping on creating just a few long form videos. I just love creating, so I confess I haven't paid much attention to the optimization of the channel. Maybe if I paid more attention to the optimization of the channel, maybe I could be having more subscribers and maybe more views on my long form videos. As for this moment, we'll see how it all goes. I just love creating, so I keep creating. Maybe I'll pay more attention. I'll see about it. But meanwhile, just enjoy this video the way it is. If you've got to watch it, maybe it's not optimized by the time that you're watching it. And leave me your comments. Tell me how you've been enjoying my channel, if you've been here for some time. And if this is your first time here, that you're seeing your channel, my channel rather, also let me know, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So that's all I had to share. They say that shorts harm your channel if you're looking forward to earning from AdSense, AdSense, or rather the ads from Google. So think about that. If you're thinking of earning from AdSense, then the advice they give is that you maybe create 2 channels. If you have got to do short form videos, then you create 2 channels, one for the long form videos and one for the shorts. I'm not doing that on this one. I'm still gonna keep it the way it is. Shorts, a lot of shorts and a few long form videos. Let's see how it goes. Anything is possible. I still believe that I can succeed on the channel just the way it is. And maybe I'm the crazy one, but I still believe that I can succeed on a channel that is not being optimized for the video. But anyway, I may change that perspective as we go along. Meanwhile, I just want to thank you for watching this video. And if you're creating content, because maybe you've watched all this way and you're not creating content, if you're creating content, I wish you all success. And if you are not creating, I would also ask you to create content. It's fun making content. I do it for the fun. Although if money came in, I wouldn't mind. If this became my full-time thing, I wouldn't mind. So let's see what happens from this point onward. Thank you once again for watching this video, and until next time, it's bye for now. I'm your friend Anthony, the YouTube dreamer.